Welcome back to the event where we highlight new and innovative products from some amazing brands. And just like always, we've got some really cool stuff to show you. So let's get started with our first product. The Oracle Lighting Off-Road Laser Auxiliary Lights and LED Fog Kit are a great way to keep you on the trail on those foggy mornings and well after the sun goes down. Specifically for the new model Ford Bronco with the steel modular bumper, the laser auxiliary lights are great for those wanting to be able to see better when driving on the trail after dark at higher speeds, while the integrated fog lights are perfect for rough weather on any surface. The integrated fog lights are 100% road legal, but the auxiliary lights are for off-road use only. The auxiliary lights have a 3,000-foot hyper-focus beam, and the die-cast aluminum housing and polycarbonate lens are durable for the trail. This kit fits the 2021 and up Ford Bronco modular bumper. Installation isn't DIY due to the wiring. However, most shops should have no trouble. An optional Oracle harness is available for vehicles lacking factory auxiliary switches, allowing easy wiring setup for both fog and laser light modules. Having both high-performance focused off-road lights with road-legal fog lights, these lights will appeal to both serious trail riders and the mall crawlers alike. This Oracle kit stands out with its dual function, allowing users to switch between road-legal fog lights and powerful off-road laser auxiliary lights. Next up is the all-new RFI Shield split sleeve from Design Engineering Incorporated that's a great tool to protect your electronics from radio frequency interference, or RFI, and electromagnetic interference, or EMI. These are ideal for automotive enthusiasts, professional racers, engineers, or even in industrial settings where protecting sensitive electronic components from RFI and EMI is important. They block radio frequency interference and electromagnetic interference to protect electronic systems. They're super easy to install over pre-installed wires or cables. They work in temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're made with high-quality materials. They're available in various sizes to fit a wide range of applications. The split sleeve design makes the installation relatively easy. Users can wrap it around existing wires without disconnecting or disassembling them. It's a simple measure, cut, and install, but always remember, measure twice and cut once. As more sensitive electronic systems are integrated into automotive and marine applications, this product addresses a growing need for RFI and EMI protection. The RFI Shield split sleeve stands out due to its easy-to-install split design, which allows users to protect cables without disconnecting them. Its high temperature resistance and durable materials make it suitable for any job, providing an edge over standard sleeves that may not offer the same level of convenience and protection. And for those of us who love nature, the Ibex by Kuat is a rack that's perfect for overlanders, trail riders, and anyone else who loves the outdoors. The Ibex is for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and truck owners who are looking for a modular and customizable truck rack that gives bed access and can be outfitted with a ton of gear. It allows for full side bed access, and it has telescoping crossbars that can be flush or top mounted. It has a 1,200-pound static and 300-pound dynamic weight limit. The modular design offers full and half-height options, and the T-channels provide multiple accessory options for customization. The Ibex is easy to install, though some technical skills may be required. The biggest note from our installer is to make sure to follow the directions fully. Some accessories will need to be installed before others, or you may have to partially disassemble the rack. The Ibex's unique style and rugged features appeal to a growing market of outdoor adventurers and off-road enthusiasts seeking high-performance equipment. It stands out with its open hoop design for complete bed access, versatile telescoping crossbars, and full and half-height configurations. And Kuat offers many accessories to customize your Ibex to fit your lifestyle. Not everybody drives a big truck, but even small cars need great storage. Well, the 3D UACE Max Spider Handy Trunk Storage is a small space solution for just about any storage need. The Handy Trunk is ideal for anyone who wants to organize their cargo areas with a durable and lightweight storage solution. People who regularly carry tools or anything else will find it keeps items secure, organized, and easy to access. It's available in carbon fiber or polyester, and it has a large compartment with intermesh pockets. The zippered top keeps items from falling out when opened. It's resistant to water, moisture, mold, and dust. Its foldable design and side handles allow for easy storage and carrying. The 3D UACE Max Spider Handy Trunk storage requires no installation. It simply unfolds and is ready for use. The Velcro fasteners keep it securely in place so it's easy to set up and remove as needed. Its versatile design and blend of durability, portability, and organization could appeal to users looking for an upgrade from traditional, less durable trunk organizers. Its combination of premium materials and durable construction mean that it can handle the road. The moisture resistance, lightweight design, and zippered cover for security sets it apart from other organizers, and they can be stacked for even more storage. Work trucks and overlanders rejoice! The new decked Cargo Glide 600 is a slide-out option for your truck bed, and it's got a few tricks up its sleeve. The Cargo Glide 600 is perfect for contractors, farmers, and outdoor enthusiasts needing secure, quick access to cargo in their truck beds without having to climb inside. It's got a 600-pound capacity, and it extends 75% of its length, giving easier access. It's constructed from durable materials, and it's got a high-strength aluminum and steel frame. It also has sealed cam bearings for smooth operation. This Cargo Glide system can be set up in around 30 to 45 minutes using basic tools. It meets the needs of professionals or overlanders that need access to their cargo without having to crawl in and out of the truck bed. This means that the job or campsite can get set up in record time. The Cargo Glide 600 features premium materials and can be used with decked drawer systems, making it a durable, specialized choice. Its unique combination of sealed bearing slide mechanism, robust construction, and versatile integration appeals to users seeking both durability and convenience. We've seen the EGR VSLs for the Jeep Gladiator JT. Well, now they've got them for the new Bronco. And just like on the Jeep, the mounting position is really cool. The VSL lights are ideal for Bronco owners who want better lighting when off-road or setting up the campsite after dark. They replace the front accessory mounting points, and they have a wide 165-degree flood beam pattern. They act as both side markers and turn signals. And they're made with a scratch-resistant Lexan lens. They've got thermal management to prevent overheating. The VSL lights require wiring to the switches and power source, so experienced wiring is important. This product appeals to Bronco owners looking for lighting that enhances both style and safety. Its dual-function design supports daily use while adding off-road value, potentially attracting new buyers who want versatility. Compared to standard off-road lights, the EGR VSL LEDs stand out with their blinker integration, thermal management, and design made specifically for the Bronco, making them more versatile and durable than the generic options. Having a flat off-road or on the way to work is never good, but the Bulldog Winch portable air compressor is a great tool to get you going fast. This air compressor is suitable for daily drivers, outdoor enthusiasts, workers, and people in remote areas who want a reliable, compact compressor. Its high pressure and airflow are perfect for inflating large tires quickly. It automatically shuts off when the selected pressure is reached. It comes with an oversized foot tray, vibration isolators, and a durable carry handle. The thermal overload protection automatically resets to prevent overheating, and it has a portable and compact design. This air compressor is easy to set up and use. The quick connectors, LCD panel, and straightforward design make it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. This compressor can appeal to both off-road and daily drivers who may not consider carrying a compressor. The automatic shutoff and high-pressure capabilities address some common frustrations, such as overinflating or needing frequent adjustments, making it highly desirable for convenience and efficiency. We all know Gen Y for their beefy hitches and hitch steps. Well, now they've got running boards, and they're just as strong. These running boards are great for truck owners needing practical and safe running boards, especially on muddy, snowy, or icy days. It's ideal for people who prioritize durability and sleek design. The anti-slip surface ensures secure footing. The crisscross pattern lets debris fall through. They have a 400-pound weight capacity, and they're durable and strong. They're made in the US with quality materials. The running boards are simple to install and mount. They shouldn't take long to have on the truck and out the door. The combination of debris management, anti-slip design, and its American-made craftsmanship could attract customers seeking high-quality, functional accessories for their trucks. The Curt magnetic flat connector is a great way for drivers to get hooked up and on the road fast. This 4-way magnetic flat connector is ideal for RV owners, campers, boaters, and anyone with a utility trailer that wants a faster, cleaner, and easier way to connect trailer wiring. The magnetic quick snap connector is quick and easy, and there's no cutting or splicing required for installation. It's got corrosion-resistant connection points and durable plastic housing. It protects the original 4-way flat, and it withstands harsh conditions. Installation is very easy with a plug-and-play design, making it suitable for any skill level. There's no need for cutting or splicing wires, which simplifies the process. It addresses common issues with traditional connectors like dirt accumulation and wear. This product's quick snap and magnetic features will attract those looking for a more efficient towing connector that will save them time and reduce frustration during trailer setups. If you want to learn more about these products, make sure to click the link on screen or in the description to find a local store near you. And if you're a store owner watching the event from TotalTruckCenters.com, make sure to fill out the form at the bottom of this blog article for a chance to win prizes. Thanks for watching the event. I'll see you in the next episode.